Hey YouTube, I'm Shibumi Jones. Thank you for watching my channel. My wife and my sister, we all went out to dinner at John George one night and I was really inspired by this dish. It's so delicious. So I'm gonna recreate like my version of that. I never worked at John George. This isn't a recipe for them or anything. It's just, you see things you like and you want to recreate them sometimes. So we are going to do the caviar egg. So we're going to take a large egg. We're going to crack the top of it. We're going to take the top off. We're going to take the egg out of the shell. We're going to boil the shell just to sanitize it. And then we're going to soft scramble the egg. We're going to put a little bit of chives in there and hit it with a tiny bit of salt. We don't want to overwhelm the eggs. We don't want to put too much salt that it's fighting with the caviar. We want to put a little bit of chives in there just for a little tiny bit of tanginess, but not too much. We don't want it to be oniony. We're going to keep the eggs nice and soft. And then we are going to make a whipped cream, no sugar in the whipped cream, just straight up whipped cream, whipped. And we are not going to put any salt in it either because it's going to go right on top where the caviar is. So we don't need to we just want some cream in the back of your mouth while you're eating the caviar. We're going to take that shell from the egg. We're gonna pipe the soft scramble inside. We're gonna top it with a little bit of whipped cream and then a nice big spoonful of sturgeon caviar on top. It's very delicious, it's very simple. It's actually not that hard to eat with a demi-tasse spoon, so we'll serve it with that and then you can easily scoop it out. It's actually pretty fun to take small spoonfuls. It's a super rich dish, so it makes perfect sense to serve it with a demi-tasse spoon.